Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Life Ninjas 303. In this tutorial, we have created an easy way to store reusable grocery bags and also a simple way to never leave them behind. The first step was to purchase all of the supplies. For this project, we purchased a universal hook for the back seat of the car. This pair was actually purchased at a local discount store in the neighborhood. We also got 3M brand hook and loop tape from Amazon. It is 2 inches by 10 feet and it's self-adhesive with a sticky back made out of interlocking nylon fabric. This project also required a clip folio. This particular one was made by Day Designer and the pattern is called Romance. Our local Target had a bunch of these from the same brand with different colors and styles. Try to avoid the clip folios with the band wrapped around them already because this could damage the makeshift organizer. After we purchased all of our supplies, we were ready to create the carry-on. The first step was to cut 2 pieces of hook tape, which is the rough side, and press each one on both sides of the clip folio like so. Make sure to cut a slightly longer hook tape. The front will be the side that has the outer clip. This will allow the carrier to have the flexibility to hold more or less bags. It is best to place the front hook tape horizontally aligned from the top of the folio to the second screw of the clip, which should be right around 5.5 inches long. The back side hook tape should be 4 inches long, placed in the middle directly across from the other hook tape. The loop tape, which is the softer side, should be cut at 9 inches. After cutting, place the loop tape across from the back to reach the front. This will be the opener. We flipped the 3M logo tape to show white and placed it over the loop adhesive, but washi tape can also be used to jazz up the project. It is now ready for bags. Stuff reusable grocery bags in the middle. Find the front bag has 2 handles and pull them out. Now the project is complete and can be hung from the car hooks. All the items used in this project will be listed below in the description box. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more content from Life Ninjas 303. Share pictures of your holder with us in the comments. We would love to see them.